Okay, so yesterday a couple things happened. Of course, we had the Yeezy slide release, which in today's video we are going to recap and see how everybody did. And then we got a huge amount of news on upcoming Yeezys. So I thought, normally I would save this for the weekend's episode where we do it on Sundays and I cover all of the news that's going on. But you know what? I thought there's so much information here and I'm sure you guys would love to hear it. So we're going to get into all of it today. So first off, let's get over this slide release. So it was a Monday Yeezy release, and as history has shown this year, when it comes to those Yeezy Monday releases, it comes as a shock drop. So I don't know whether to necessarily call it a shock drop, but pretty much what happens on these Monday releases is we kind of hear rumors and we have a release date from different sources of it is dropping on this Monday. However, we don't see any raffles, we don't see it up on the Adidas website, the Adidas app, or the confirmed app. There's no real information to go off when this release is going to happen, and of course it kind of takes us all a little bit by surprise. But all we got to remember is that Monday Yeezy releases, right? So this is something to remember for future Monday Yeezy releases. If it is scheduled for a Monday, just remember that it is going to be a shock drop, which means the morning of the release is when they pop up on the Adidas confirmed app or wherever they end up releasing, and then of course all the other retailers. So yesterday with this Monday slide release, that's what they did, and I don't know if it was the best idea to do it with these slides because these things were popular. Like I mentioned in my Sunday video, look, the slides are releasing tomorrow. If you guys need any help, I'm over on Instagram, you guys can message me. And I was getting messages non-stop, people asking me, when are these going to be releasing? How are these going to be releasing? And of course, the morning of the release, I started putting up different raffles and different places that opened and started sales for the slides. And I was just getting so many messages. And it really reminded me of the Yeezy Foam Runner release back then. When those released, I was getting loads and loads of messages. Like I'm talking hundreds of DMs of people asking me how and where do I get these foam runners. So it felt very similar to that. But either way, 6:30 a.m. here in the UK, the Yeezy slides popped up on the Adidas confirmed app. Now how they did this was a 4-hour raffle. So again, in the past we've seen 30-minute raffles, we've seen queue releases, and a 4-hour raffle was slightly different. However, I do always prefer the raffle releases. They just seem a little bit more fair than a queue drop when the app starts crashing and there's all kind of errors that we encounter. So I was happy with the raffle. At all kinds of different boutiques, of course, End Clothing, Foot Patrol, places like that just did a regular release. So no raffle. They just said it is live now on the website. Go and try and check out. So I was out here on my phone trying to check out on just a pair, and everything was giving me problems. Instant sellouts on some of these places where I'd go to the link within that same minute that they announced it and it would be sold out, and it was just crazy to see like people really want these slides, and I kind of knew that the demand was going to be high on these slides anyway. So yeah, I had zero luck whatsoever on any of the retailers. I was kind of crossing my fingers for this Adidas confirmed app, and as the time rolled around where the draw ended and they were notifying winners, I didn't get notified. So I literally spent like hours of that morning just hustling trying to get a pair of slides, and I didn't get anything. This is a recap, so I'm gonna ask you guys, did you manage to get a pair or didn't you? I was kind of out for any of the colorways. I think they're all pretty clean. Now to jump into the information, because again, this is all going to be a lot to take in, so you guys can sit back, relax, and let me go through some of this new information that we have. So first of all, the first thing that you guys kind of would like to know is if you did take an L on any of the slides, the new news now is that they are going to be restocking every 2 months. This is a pretty big deal, and we kind of got an entire May and June schedule for all the different Yeezys dropping in those 2 months, and that's what we're going to kind of go through today. And in one of those months in June, we are getting all of these colorways. So that's the core, that's the pure, and that's the resin. We're getting all of those colorways back, including a brand new orange colorway of the slide that we have seen rumored before. So we're getting 4 more colorways of the slides that are going to be restocking in June. So don't worry too much if you took an L. Don't go pay 4 times the retail price for the resale. These things are going to be made for everyone. Now, again, we've got a lot of stuff to go through, a lot of information for you guys to take in. We've got the entire May and June lineup for Yeezy releases, so let's jump straight into it. So the next Yeezy that is on the schedule for releases is, of course, the one that we've been been talking about for ages, and that is the Inflame Orange Yeezy 500 Low. Now, I think we originally believed that this was going to be releasing on May the 1st. However, now it is confirmed by Yeezy Mafia that it is going to be on May the 8th. That is when you can expect this very vibrant, crazy color of the Yeezy 500 Low. Definitely the most colorful Yeezy 500 Low. And I think a decent amount of people are excited for this one, myself included. It's a cool colorway. Now, some new news that we have not spoke about is these two brand new colorways of the Yeezy 500 High. So these two colorways are called the Sumac, which is the one with the kind of red details on it, and then the one which pretty much looks like the Inflame Orange, just in a high version, is called the Tactical Orange 500 High. So both of these are going to be dropping together on May the 17th. Again, crazy colorways. It is cool to see them experimenting with the Yeezy 500 line in general. And then we've got the Flash Orange Yeezy Quantum. This one's going to be dropping on May the 22nd. I think it's a pretty interesting colorway. I'm a fan. I'm definitely going to try and grab this one come release day. And then next up for May, which is pretty surprising when I heard this one, the Yeezy Foam Runners. So we not only have this mineral blue colorway that we knew of, but we also have, yes, the Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colorway is going to be restocking. So this is a pretty big deal because we literally got this colorway of the Yeezy Foam Runner a month ago. So it definitely appears to be that Kanye and Adidas are setting out to make these foam runners something that a lot of people are able to get their hands on. Both of these two colorways of the foam runners are set to release on May the 29th. So that is pretty much exactly a month away. And I'm sure this is going to be worldwide, and I'm sure it's going to bring the resale price down a little bit. So even if you take an L on this restock, specifically of the sand colorway, the resale price will drop. And then we've got one more for May, which is something that we have spoke about plenty of times. It's something I'm personally very excited for, and that is this Alien Blue Yeezy 380. So as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of the Yeezy 380. I really like this colorway. I have a pair of the calcites, and I love my calcites so much, and I would definitely like another clean ass pair of Yeezy 380s, and this is definitely one I'm going to be going for and trying to add to my rotation. So this is right at the end of May on the 31st, so that's something that's I'm personally really excited about. And then we get into June, which is again another month which is stacked with some really surprising stuff. So the first drop in June is going to be this Yeezy MNVN, and this one is of course called the Bright Cyan colorway, which again we have seen before, we have heard about before, and this is coming on June the 7th. Apparently it is coming in a full family size run as well. And then we've got another 700, which we literally spoke about last week, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this one here. The Inflame Amber, I like this one a lot, and June the 11th is the release date of this Yeezy 700. And then we've got a Yeezy 500, which is pretty surprising. So this one right here is called the Taupe Light. It's a Yeezy 500 colorway that is a little bit more reminiscent of like the first colorway, which I forget the name. Was it called Desert Rat? And this one's going to be releasing on June the 19th. And then on June the 21st, we're getting that slide restock that I was talking about in the beginning. So of course the pure resin and core, and then this new colorway which is called Inflame Orange, which is literally an orange colorway of the slide. We can expect more slides, don't worry. I know everybody is after slides, so everybody should get a chance to grab them at retail. Then some more news on those Mono 350. So the Mono pack that we've seen kind of rumored, we've seen early pairs here and there, and that is going to be the Mono Ice, the Mono Clay, and then the Mono Mist on the far right. So mono meaning like monofilament, meaning like the plastic material that they're using on the upper. I think a lot of people like these as well. It's a change up to the very, very popular 350. So a lot of people are going to be after these. So the new news that we have, or the new news that we've got, is that these are going to be a regional release. So that's pretty interesting. It just kind of depends which one different regions get. It always seems like someone's going to be upset when that happens because someone would have wanted one other colorway and they just can't get it. So there's no actual news on which one is going to be where, but we do have a release date of June the 24th, and that again is expected to drop regionally like we've seen with 380s and of course 350s in the past. Now we're not done yet, guys. We are not done yet. Don't you worry. We haven't forgotten about the triple black dark slate Yeezy 450. So this one is going to be dropping on June the 25th. So literally right after the 350s release, which sounds a little bit crazy, but yeah, that's what's going to be happening apparently. Again, release dates can always change. Jeez, a lot of information to take in, guys. A lot of stuff to digest in terms of Yeezy releases, but I did think, you know what, there's so much that we need to talk about here. There's so much information that I'm sure you guys wanted to know, and mainly the slide thing, because if anybody, you know, was a little bit salty about taking an L yesterday, don't worry, there is going to be a restock. Don't go out and desperately buy yourself a pair of slides when they are just around the corner. Thank you guys so much for coming over to my Instagram, following me over there, just showing me support and DMing me. I got loads of cool messages from people saying that they enjoy the videos, so I do appreciate that. Congrats to all of you who copped, but that is about it. That is all of the Yeezy news that we have. There's a lot of stuff that we're going to be talking about over the next 2 months, a lot of reviews on Yeezys that we're going to be getting into. I know you guys are excited. I know I am very excited for all of this stuff. I want to thank you so much for coming through. I want to thank you for hanging out with me for yet again another video. I want to thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I will catch you guys in the next one, but until then.